Hey guys! So today I want to introduce you guys about Kappabashi in Asakusa. Kappabashi is a shopping street for kitchenware and restaurant supplies, and it is located within walking distance of Sensuji Temple, which is a very popular tourist spot in Asakusa. This street was created in 1912, and at the time people were selling just normal tools, but after World War II people have started selling kitchen tools and it became the street that you see right now. There are more than 170 stores on this street, and the street itself stretches 800 meters long. One of the most popular selling items here is food samples. There are many food samples shops in Kappabashi, and at some stores you can actually experience making these food samples by yourself. Of course, you can buy these food samples as souvenir too. There are so many stores that sell like cute Japanese theme cups or plates as well. There are so many cute Japanese teacups. There are many professional kitchen tool stores like this one. This is a Japanese kitchen knife stores, so people who are into cooking or people who's working as a chef, they come to this area, Kappabashi, and they buy professional kitchen tools. There are stores for signboard as well. There is also a dagashi shop, and dagashi is a Japanese traditional cheap snacks that were popular after World War. Even if you're not into cooking or working in food industry, it is fun to walk around here. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I do have a Twitter and Instagram account as well, so please follow me there too. Again, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye guys!